I am Susan Miller. I'm the billing administrator for North Florida Center for Otolaryngology. We have 3 offices, an ear, nose, and throat office, derm office, and facial plastic surgery. I really love the training staff because they took us step by step. They have videos for you to watch. If something's not quite explained in the video, you had somebody that was going to come in and tell you, this is how you do this. During our transition, talking with the trainers, even talking to the salespeople that were putting everything together, they were very forthcoming in what to expect, what we should learn from everything, how everything should work, and if you have questions, this is who you need to call. We were all pleased at the office with how much the training staff at ModMed really want you to succeed.